Alright, we're going to do our maiden flight with Dynam Pits. It's a Pitts Python 12, 4S. It's a cool little plane, just got it. Wind, it's nice. I think it's really gusty. There's snow on the way. It's cold. No safe, no it's AS3X, nothing, just a dumb receiver. See how she goes. It's doing good. Need some down trim. Too much down trim. Come back over this way. It's flying nice. It flies good. Roll rates and like incredible. There we go, that's better. Oh shit. Canopy popped off. Looks like it's gonna land on me. Man didn't have the hole of doom. That's no good. Guess we're just gonna fly it around normal. No snap rolls or anything right now. No loops, nothing. We'll just drain the battery down over the sun. Do some low passes. A little too slow. Besides, that's actually flying pretty good. I'm just flying at half right at this moment. Fingers are starting to get really cold though. I forgot the radio glove. Hey, that's a nice looking plane. Right, George? Yeah, kind of. I have to get used to that. Okay, I think we're getting freezing rain right now. So that means time to land, but the wind's picking up at the same time here. So it's getting a little sketchy. A lot sketchy, sorry. No, it was a landing. I'm gonna walk. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna walk over and get the canopy at land. Okay, I was calling the canopy. It's the battery hatch. Found it. See these hole of doom here. It's hard to tell, but it's about 10 feet deep and full of junk. This one's got water in it. Alright, pausing again, go back to the plane. Okay, so we're getting a mixture of freezing rain and snow, so that calls it a day for me. Well, that's the Pitts Python from Dynam. See, the little cover fell off. Put that back in place. Seems like a good plane, can't tell. It was a windy flight, but what I did do with it seemed good. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.